Hi guys, how do you call this in your country? Please share it with us at the comment section. Today, join me to make 4 different dishes from it. You are welcome once again. Your friend your Bapefia. Your shasi no. Your babenoa rice, plain rice. Na ye de oil kakra esiso na ye de onions egum. After that no, we first one first method that ye de use ye roasted or toasted rice no. Wow, emo ne si so kakra bi na ensuo ni mfiri ma e wo se ensuo wom. Then na wo de omo ase no atoso. Just like that wow. A separate kama aside your moton is very soft. Anybody at all in the family, enkora, empenyi, even babies, can eat this one. Then you serve it with any kind of stew you want. Second one, sunye, ye de baba ye fried rice one. You know when you na ni channel, ni ye enye den kra. Unyenya unoma say, first of all, you scramble your eggs and you set it aside. We have a full video of this on this channel, so you can check it later. I have say you know when you na eneja ya saute in kama no. You just add your chopped onions, any proteins you want to use, and you add your kanzo. Yes, a moaseno rice under. You add it like this, and the vapor from your meat, the onions, and the sauce you made will just do the magic. See it for yourself. Wow, it came out very well. Now we have our fried rice with kanzu. No ejuwane si me dofo said the krom ha si aye hye ne de so ototo mo ase tugu a madam for wan hwe ya asam betimi ato school so na ya bie ne gidigidi no academic year bibie ekoso third one so a obetumi ayusi o kanzo anyway mutu ase na minya ne say ya ya na ebi wo ha akwahye fridge we menu so ne fresh nti aye den wow, some few minutes and you can't find it again. But because say na enya color for in the way the color is changed kakra. But still it goes very well with groundnut soup, pepper soup, palm nut soup, bibia. Menya me mutu. Sa mo na ne kuta me na ya say ready to show me ho na. Ebebro 5 balls. We me de mo ni si so na me de tu no. Mutu na aye ready na woncha ho kra me tete na e ka atere no so na jama benkwan no me de atere ni bom na we say no particularly ni nyina abeko nti wo ka wie na okata so siwa kakra ase ni nyina yi fourth one so ni o we ase no me ami bedi ma de awurade nyankopɔ ahobrase mu a bra me ni di so any me video ho subscribe comment like share for all your loved ones. Bye. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. See you.